Hola amigos, welcome to another lesson Spanish from the jungle. I am excited because today I want to share with you something new, something interesting. Today I want to show you and I want to teach you how to express our needs and our skills. We will learn how to express what we need, what we want, and what we are able to do. So, are you ready for the lesson? Let's start then. The first thing we are going to learn at this moment is a verb, very important verb, querer. Can you pronounce it after me? Querer. And the meaning is to want. And possibly you are wondering, how can I use this verb? Well, in Spanish we have two ways how we can use this verb. Let's see. Let's make an example. Yo quiero. Quiero is the conjugation only for the pronoun yo. Personal pronoun yo. So I say yo quiero. Let's remember something. Yo quiero un café. I bet you already understand what I wrote. Yo quiero un café. I want a coffee. That's perfect. Agua. I want water. Excellent. And what else? For example, if we are expressing what we want in a general way, for example, yo quiero un carro. Yo quiero un carro. I want a car. Excellent. So the other way how we can use this verb is with another verb. For example, when we want to express what we want to do. I want to do something. Let's make an example. Yo quiero. I want what? I want to do what? Yo quiero trabajar. Yo quiero trabajar. I want to work. Let's write another verb or other verb here. Yo quiero viajar. Yo quiero viajar. I want to travel. What else? Yo quiero caminar. Yo quiero caminar. I want to walk. What else? Yo quiero cocinar. I want to cook. That's brilliant. We have 4 verbs. So my question is if you are ready to memorize these 4 verbs or actions I taught you right now at this moment. Trabajar, to work. Viajar, to travel. Caminar, to walk. Cocinar, to cook. Easy. I bet you can do it. Now, the next verb I have for you to learn is necesitar. Can you pronounce it with me? Necesitar. Necesitar means to need. Now, let's see how we can use it. Similar to the verb querer, necesitar has 2 ways how we can use it. The usage number 1 is when we express what we need. For example, I need something. Let's make an example. Yo necesito. Yo necesito. I need what? We can use these examples. Necesito Necesito una cerveza. I need a beer. What else? Necesito agua. I need water. The third example, necesito un carro. I need a car. Easy, isn't it? And the next usage for this verb, necesitar, is this verb with another verb. And you already know this verb. You can use it with viajar, caminar, and cocinar. Let's make an example. Yo necesito what? Viajar. What does it mean? Yo necesito viajar. I need to travel. Yo necesito caminar. I need to walk. Yo necesito cocinar. I need to cook. Brilliant! Congratulations! I am sure you are learning a lot and you will be able to memorize what we have been learning so far. And as I told you before, we still need to learn how to express our skill, what we can do, our skills. If we want to express what we can do, we need to learn poder. Poder means to be able to. Let's make an example. This verb is easier than the other two, I promise. Let's make an example. Yo puedo, I can, I am able to, or I can what? I can travel. I can travel. Yo puedo viajar. What else? What can you do? Yo puedo cocinar. That's brilliant. Yo puedo cocinar. What can you do? So my friends, congratulations for being with me until the end of this video. And remember, you can support me by subscribing to this channel, by liking the video, and you can also share this video with someone else who you think that is willing to learn Spanish. So for the moment, I can say hasta luego y adiós amigos.